Cinco de Mayo is coming up, so I thought I'd make a margarita that everyone can enjoy. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we create healthy recipes in the kitchen, helping support you and your loved ones on your own unique health journey. Today we're going to be making a virgin mango ginger lime margarita. Let's begin by adding 1 chopped up mango to your blender, which interestingly enough contains collagen, so it may help give you that healthy, young, glowing looking skin. Next, let's add the juice from 4 limes, which measures to be about 1/2 of a cup. And limes are rich in vitamin C to help keep your immune system happy and running smoothly. 3/4 of a cup of either filtered water or sparkling water, and to it I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops of our orange essential oil, and this is for flavor and additional vitamin C. And I'm doing this to lower the amount of sugar in our drink. But alternatively, you could also use 1/4 cup of orange juice and 1/2 of a cup of water. I added 2, and then I'm going to add this to our blender. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or MCT oil, and this is going to add a little bit of healthy fat to our drink, and it's so good for the lining of your gut. 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger root, which is one of my favorites, and it's so good for a healthy digestion. Last, to thicken everything up, I'm going to add 3 to 4 ice cubes. Blend up until smooth. Add in additional ice cubes for thicker consistency. Let's give this margarita a taste. That's nice and tart. You really can taste the lime juice. There's a lot of it in there. You're also welcome to put a little bit of salt on the outside if that's your thing. And it's not really sweet. So again, you're always welcome to use orange juice or add in your favorite sweetener so that you get it just to the right taste for you. And I did end up adding a few more ice cubes just to make it a little bit thicker. But this is really nice and refreshing, something that the whole family can really enjoy. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. We love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen for another healthy and delicious recipe. Take care. Bye.